What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Matty Creates. Haven't uploaded a video for a while, but I will be uploading some soon. I'm going to varnish pictures, so I thought I would upload a tutorial on how to do that. Right now I have Gamvar and I'm running some warm water to let it sit in. It just helps it flow a lot better. Subscribe! So what I'm doing is I have my picture and it's been sitting on the wall forever. It's really dusty, has cat hair. Make sure you brush it off really good, get all the dirt and debris off, because whatever's on there when you throw the varnish on is probably going to be on there for life. You can remove varnish if you really need to, but you probably don't have to. So I wipe it really good with a brush, make sure I dust it off, and then we can go on to the next step. Oh yeah, and I grab a big brush after and just do some really good passes. So some of the reasons we varnish is because oil paint, when you use mediums and even sometimes acrylic, you can see you get patches where it's shiny, some are flat, some are matte, and the colors kind of get lost a little bit. When you varnish, it makes the colors pop and it makes everything one even surface. So if you pick a satin finish, which I have here, and I'm just kind of mixing it together, it's going to make everything nice and smooth. It's going to make those colors pop. You can get gloss, you can get flat, you can get satin. I prefer the satin myself. I find the gloss is a bit of a reflection when in a bright room. Want to make sure that's laid nice and flat and even on a table. You just pour a little bit down because you have quite a bit of working time with this. So don't put too much because you can always add more, but it's hard to take away. You're going to take a really nice soft brush and you're just going to work it back and forth. And of course I left the overhead light on, so there's a big glare till I shut it off, which I will pretty soon here. But look at those colors pop. The whites are brighter, the grays are darker, the background, the greens, you can see more of the marbling that I put in the back there. What I'm doing right now is I'm just working it back, getting everything covered, making sure it's an even coat. And what I actually do after I'm done spreading it all out with the smaller soft brush is I get a big wide soft brush and I just do really light passes left to right and I just kind of smooth everything out. There we go. Now the glare's gone. You can really see how deep it is compared to the lower half. The legs, the purples and highlights are popping, the feathers are popping more. Like I said, that background has really come to life. It will fade a little bit once it dries, but not much. It still keeps everything nice and rich. I mean, that's pretty much all there is to it. You can get some aerosol ones, but I recommend the brush-on types when it comes to varnishing. Again, I use the satin. A lot of people like the gloss as well. The colors pop even a little more with the gloss. Yeah, I'll be uploading some more videos here and some tutorials. Hopefully you guys like this. Subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll be putting out some videos soon here. Thanks so much, guys. Appreciate it.